My name's BFIGGY, I'm a professional filmmaker, and today we're testing out the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Many of you are asking the same questions. Is it worth the hype? He said that they're not including stickers anymore. Little bummed about that, but it's all good. Let's unbox this thing. Okay, we got the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Great case. Desert titanium color, looks beautiful.
Feels great to finally be out of that box.
Did you just talk?
Yes, my name is Jimmy. I am your new iPhone 16.
Your name is Rock McGee from here on out.
I am going to tell Tim.
I don't really care. Okay, let me get you set up.
Please hurry, this is taking forever.
Quiet down, quiet down. Let's take Rock McGee here out to Venice Beach.
What if I don't want to go?
No, you're going. You don't have a choice. One thing everyone's talking about is this new wide camera. It's supposed to be 48 megapixels, which is pretty ridiculous. I think it looks quite clean. Let's go check out some shots. It's going down. We have these three awesome girls at the Venice skate park, and we're gonna test out the Slo-Mo on the new iPhone. Let's go. Let's get it. Footage looks absolutely unbelievable. I am shocked with the quality of the slow motion, with just how sharp it looks. We had the best models ever. They're linked down in the description if you want to check out more of their stuff, but I'm blown away so far. We get back from Venice Beach and I'm looking at this footage and I'm like, it just doesn't look as sharp as it should for being in 4K 120. And I see a video on Twitter that says you gotta go into the settings to change this 4K 120, which is fantastic because I didn't do that. So all the footage that you just saw is in 1080p 120 frames per second.
How did you mess that up?
It should already come like that. That's ridiculous. When I went out to Venice Beach and I was trying to change the slow-mo settings, I swore in the keynote that I saw 4K 120 and then it wasn't there. It was like 1080 120, 1080 240. I'm like, maybe I just don't have it updated or something. I don't know. So we just continue to shoot the entire day and it's all in 1080p. That's why I noticed when you're like zooming in on the slow-mo, it's just slightly pixelated and not perfectly sharp like it should be. But we went out and tested the 4K 120 on Sunday for just a clip, just so I can show you what it looks like. The unfortunate thing about the 4K 120 is it's not in a log profile. So you can't really color grade it. You can't really manipulate it. It's kind of what you see is what you get. It looks solid. And I think the reason for that is because if it was shot in log, the footage would just be massive. These files would be humongous. You'd never even be able to airdrop them to your computer. And I tested a talking head shot where I talked to the camera just like this for about 15 straight minutes. And that clip on my phone took up 60 gigabytes of space in 4K 30 in a log color profile. When I'm editing the footage, you can't even scrub through it. And I don't know if that's because the codec's different, but regardless, it was very difficult to work with that footage and I didn't even include it in this video because it was giving me so much trouble to edit inside Premiere Pro. Now the question everyone's wondering, should you upgrade to the iPhone 16? From the 15 Pro Max to the 16, I didn't notice a ton of difference. I think that if you have a 14, a 13, or a 12, you're gonna notice like a drastic change as you upgrade to something like the 16 Pro Max. What Apple was pitching was this like Apple Intelligence being a huge portion of this phone, and it's not even out yet. It doesn't come out till October. So if I was you, I would wait to see what all of these upgrades are going to entail in October, and then I would make the decision. Let them fix the bugs, let them fix everything that has to do with the phone right now, and then in October, you can make an educated decision, probably not watching this video, look at other stuff and see if it's actually worth your investment. A big point of sale was this new button that they're really excited about. And I don't know if it's just because I haven't became used to it, but I didn't find myself using it at all. I just would use the settings on the phone like we normally would back in the day. So that's something that I have to get into my workflow to see if it's actually worth it. But that's my first initial look at the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let me know down in the comments if you're going to be upgrading to it, and if not, why. I hope you all enjoyed this first look at the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And as always, DM me on IG with any questions, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.